Hello and welcome back to Promptables. In this video we're going to go over Promptables CANVAS and Promptables Blueprint and how they interact with your initial prompt from Spark. Now, for the best results in your AI coding app, you want to use Spark as your initial prompt, you want to use CANVAS as your design guidelines, and Blueprint as your PRD files, your markdown files. And when you put all these together into GitHub, you can then use them and pull that into your AI coder, and it will work off of those for the rest of the project. So right now we're going to go to Spark, and in Spark I already did a prompt for a Mango tourism app. And what we want to do is go to that prompt, and you can see here we have that prompt in here in the Copilot. And all we're going to do is now we're going to take this entire thing over here, and we're just going to copy it. And now we'll go over to Canvas, and we're simply going to paste that in there, click go, and let it give us the design documents. Okay, so Canvas has now given us our design guidelines, and we can see over in the Copilot that it gives us a way to save it. You know, you can save it as a markdown file, PDF, doc, or text. But in this case, it's also asking if we want to upload it to GitHub. And in combination with Spark and Blueprint, inside of GitHub, you're going to get an epic app when you add that into your AI coding app. So if you type in GitHub, it will use a credit, and it will give you detailed instructions on how to do it. But if you go back and you watch the GitHub video that we have on our YouTube channel and inside of our website, you'll know how to get your URL, your repository URL, as well as your token. And that's what we're going to do in here to save 1 credit. So I know that I want to put it into our test2 repository, and you're going to notice that I didn't put www.github.com. I just put the URL path, and we're going to press go. Okay, excellent. So it has now taken the design guidelines and it has posted it into our test2 repository. If we take a look at that repository, we can go back to test2, and we can see that we have Promptables output. We earlier put our Spark prompt into here, so if we click in there, now we can see we put in our design guidelines. So if we take a look at that, we can see we've got the design guidelines. It's all structured. It is also in markdown format, and it gives you colors, typography, and it's really going to keen in your app so that your AI coding assistant knows what to do. But I'd like to just thank you for watching this video, and I encourage you to go out and use the Spark Canvas Blueprint combination for a better app.